Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show how to import Google Calendar into Mozilla. This is a great way to access our events across different platforms and keep our schedules in sync. Let's get started. On our Google Calendar, the first thing we need to do is export our calendar events. To do this, click the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then click Settings. A drop-down menu will appear. Now we need to choose the calendar we want to export. Here, we can see the export option. We just have to click the export button. Once that's done, the export is complete. Next, we need to extract this file. After extracting, our calendar file is ready. Now, let's go to Mozilla Thunderbird. Here, we need to import the calendar. Click on Import from a file, then Import Calendars so that all the events will appear. Then, click Continue and choose the file we downloaded and extracted. Select it and click to open it. As we can see, all our events are here. We just need to select all of them, then click Continue. Here, we just have to click Continue to start the import. Then, we just need to wait for it to complete, then click Finish. And that's it. That's how we import Google Calendar into Mozilla. With this simple setup, we can easily manage all our events in one place.